The purpose of today's video is to provide an overview of the Connect 365 marketplace. The first thing that I want to point out is the URL that you need to use to find this landing page. It's https://app.theinspiredhomeshow.com/connect365. When you come to the page for the first time, one of the first things you want to do is register, and you can do this in two different ways. First being this login register button in the upper right hand corner. This allows you to create your account here or sign in if you already have an account here at the bottom. The other location where you can register is just under this Register Today tab. Here you can press Create Account, and clicking this button brings up a simple registration form where you can put in your name, your company, so forth, as well as some demographic information about your role within the home and housewares community and the products that you're interested in. The site's dynamic, so the more accurate information we have about you, the better your experience will be. Ultimately, you'll enter your email, your password, agree to the terms, and hit Submit Registration. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to sign in now to my account. Cool. Once you're logged in and come to the site, you'll notice that your name populates in the upper right-hand corner. And if you need to change any of your information, you can simply click this menu bar, click View Collection, Manage Account, or change password to change anything's there. Okay, so the first thing that you'll notice is at the top of the screen is the search bar, followed by a featured category section, followed by a featured product section, and then an Explore by Category section at the very bottom. For now, let's look at how the search bar works. We're going to use Totally Bamboo as an example. So let's type that company name in here. Press enter. And this is going to bring up the search results. As you can tell, this is the Totally Bamboo brand, followed by their sub-brands here below and some products. Let's click Totally Bamboo's name. And this brings us to their company landing page. Here, we're able to learn a lot more about the company, including all of their social media information here at the top right, their contact information, representatives, and any other ways you might be able to get in contact with them. If you scroll down on their brand page, you'll see their sub-brands here. Totally Bamboo has 5, as well as some of their featured products. If I want any more information about these products, let's say their Baltic Malta collection, I can click, and this brings me to the product landing page. Here I can get more information about this particular item. If I want more information about a brand, I can go back, select one of their brands, like Baltic, and this gives me more information about this particular brand. Returning to the Totally Bamboo page, you can see that there are some tags listed here. If I want any more information about other companies that also have the same tag designation, I can simply click, let it load, and you'll find other companies and brands with the same tag designation. Going back to the homepage, one thing to note is that every time you refresh your screen or start a new session, the products on your homepage vary. This gives buyers something new and fresh to look at every single time that they visit the site. These products are directly linked to the selections made during registration. For instance, in my registration, I have a number of categories selected and that I can edit by visiting this Manage Account button in the upper right-hand corner. Once I press that, I scroll down to What products are you interested in? And here I can select all the different categories that I wish to see populated on my homepage. Right now I have tabletop, cook and bakeware, and specialty coffee selected, but if I don't want to see those anymore, I can unselect those and select other items that might draw my attention and be more interesting to me. So I press Submit Registration, and those types of products now update and are on my homepage. Next, let's take a look at how the Explore by Categories feature works. If I'm interested in cleaning products, I can simply click this category and up pops a new page full of brands, companies, and products associated with that specific category. Right now, let's say Danica is catching my eye. I can click their company page, and this will take me to just their company homepage with their contact information, representative information, access to their 5 brands, and products associated with this company. One additional feature is the ability to save products to a collection. If you notice here, when I press the heart button, it will darken. That means the specific product has been added to my collection. I can visit my collection by scrolling up to the top, pressing the menu button, and clicking View Collection. Here are all the companies, brands, and products that I have added to my collection. This just gives you easy access to revisit saved products later. So returning to the home page, let's go down to the Explore by Category section again. And one thing I want to point out is there are more than 8 categories available to you by pressing the menu page slider here at the bottom. Clicking through showcases the wide variety of options available to you. I hope you found this brief overview of the Connect 365 Marketplace helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to us at IHA. We'd be happy to hear from you and assist in any way we can.